Going to make a simple, easy butternut squash simmered in chicken broth. And when done, sauteed in butter, allowing the butter to be brown with a little allspice and salt and pepper, and that's all we need. So I'm putting a half a quart of chicken broth in there. It doesn't have to cover the squash because when you put the lid on it, it will certainly cook with ease. So don't let it overcook. I don't know what kind of tool you use to check, but you can always have something like this. This is my wife's. Isn't that cute? You stick this into a potato when you're baking it, or you put it into anything that you've baked. So we're going to pierce those as we go along. As this is cooking, in 15 minutes I'm going to check it and see how it's doing. I'm also going to add to the recipe, because I figured these go well together, bacon. So I took some bacon out of the freezer, cut it, let this cook up. We're going to put butter in there anyway. This is going to be really good. 10-minute boil, all done. I'm going to strain this and lose all that chicken stock. That's life. Take the squash. There's the butter. There's that. A few more things. Yes, of course. Some allspice. And some black pepper, freshly ground, not freshly ground, it's your choice. A little black pepper, fairly high flame. We just want to brown this up, and to help it and give it some flavor, we're going to put in there some dark brown sugar, and we are going to put in 1 tablespoon. You see how that goes. We may add more. And the background noise that you're hearing is a steamroller. There's over 5 acres of land across the way, across the canal, that they're getting ready to build 170 condos or apartments, and they're just leveling out the soil, and I have no choice. I have to do this. So that's what you hear. And I have to do this now because they're working until 5 o'clock, and this has to be ready for dinner. And I go, since my wife brought this home, might as well make a recipe. I'm going to taste the piece in a couple of minutes if everything gets coated well. I like the way that looks. What I don't have in the house is some nice chopped parsley that you would put over this after you serve it. And I think this is enough This is easily enough for 4 people as a side dish. Like I said, nice high flame. We are just about done. All we had to do is mix this up. That's it. I'm going to take a fork, lower the flame, and try not to burn my lips. That was the time. That was 15 minutes for the butternut to boil, but it only took 10 minutes to cook this. So now, take a piece. You have to taste it before you serve it. It may need some more seasoning. Put a teaspoon of salt into the chicken stock with the butternut squash. We'll see if that was enough. If not, we'll sprinkle a little more on top. I like the way it looks. Oh, it's hot. Okay. We don't like really sweet stuff, but I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of brown sugar to this, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So that's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt that goes into this, along with the 1 teaspoon that went into the stock. And be careful when you're cooking this. If I say 10 minutes at this size chunks, don't go over it, because what you'll have is, instead of pieces staying together like this, you'll have mush. And I think we now have a finished product. If you'd like your stuff really sweet, like for Thanksgiving, which most people do, and that's it. Now we're going to add something for the holiday. Since I said cranberries, now you can really use this. That's about 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup of craisins. You could also add, if you have pecans to this, walnuts, and you really got something nice. There we have it. I will give it one more taste. I'm almost pretty sure we got it this time. I should say I got it. I hate hot food in my mouth. I never eat hot pizza. Always just lukewarm so you can just devour it. That's it. All done. All the ingredients that I said are in there are listed in the description under the video. So if you follow, for newcomers to cooking, if you follow exactly what I have there, you will have exactly what this is. I hope you enjoy it.